Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage. This is their part number 36-083 626. This is a compression ring and spring, liberating it from its packaging here. This is a very typical piece of equipment, this two-piece system. This is going to be used under the head of their mortise cylinders, really, is where you'll use the compression ring and spring. This is going to be meant for their installation of mortise cylinders is what this is going to be used for. The 083 is going to be used where you have a cylinder that's going to be installed in a typical lock application where you need to be able to basically install it, let's say, onto the face of a wood door or a hollow metal door. You've got that mortise cylinder that's going to thread into the body. Well, you need to finish that off somehow, and this two-piece system with the cylinder ring, collar, I suppose, and this washer, that's called a wave washer. You can see why they call it that. The wave washer permits you to thread the cylinder down, get some tension from the underside, between the underside of the head and the ring, so that the ring is then solid against the door. And a proper installation is going to have the cylinder head basically inside of this collar, eliminating access to the head of the cylinder, is why you would see that. Now let's take a dimensional review of this. Some people will ask, what size is it? This is a 36-083. This is specifically going to be used for full-size interchangeable core cylinder applications, where you are using a 36-082 blocking ring. This up is being listed for use with full-size interchangeable core, Schlage's full-size core, and then small format as well. They're cores that are going to be compatible with a small format type of cylinder construction. And when you're using the 36-082, this would be the compression ring that goes along with it. Okay, let's take some dimensional properties. I'm going to pull the catalog up and see where else it is listed. Outside dimension is 1.487. 1.487 on the outside. The inside dimension (1.386). 1.386. Thickness of the ring 0.307. 0.307. Depth of the shoulder from the outside down to the shoulder 0.257. 0.257 inside of here. That washer is going to compress down and give you a nice snug fit when you are installing this. It's certainly going to be available in every common finish that Schlage locks are available in. There's about a dozen of them. Your brasses, your bronze, your chromes, satin polished, oil rubbed, black, 622 for matte black, a 643E antique etched bronze. I think they also will offer in this. They do in the 082 blocking ring. But the 36-083 comes up when in the full line catalog in a few instances. It's just listed for use when you're using blocking rings, an 079 or an 082. But in other applications as well, where you simply need a way to trim off the head of a cylinder that you might have, or I should say the head of a full-size interchangeable core cylinder, where you're using it in some other application, maybe in a key alarm bypass, etc., things of that nature. It's a typical compression ring cylinder collar that you're going to use with full-size FS IC. That would be Schlage's full size. Not to be confused with SF IC small format, but it's used for both. So it doesn't matter if you confuse FS and SF. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Schlage? This is their part number 36-083. Cylinder compression ring with a wave washer or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.